You spend nearly 30 years of your life asleep, but if you're over 50, that one simple habit, how you lay your head down at night, could be the secret reason you're waking up with a stiff back, swollen ankles, or even a racing heart. Most people think rest is just rest, but science shows that some positions actually force your heart to work harder while you sleep. It's like trying to recharge your phone with a frayed cable. You're plugged in, but you aren't getting the power you need. Today, we're revealing the 4 danger zone positions and the 4 simple shifts that can supercharge your energy by morning. I'm Akash Dev, an Ayurvedic doctor from India, obsessed with exploring the truth about health. I want to help you age with power. We aren't just guessing here. We're looking at the latest data from credible resources like the Cleveland Clinic to help you fix your sleep tonight. No complex medical jargon today, just real, actionable talk for your best life. But before we dive in, just a quick reminder, while I am a doctor, I am not your doctor right now. I'm sharing this for educational purposes. Everybody is unique, what we call the N=1 rule. Always chat with your local health provider before making big changes to your routine. All right, let's dive in.
The harmful position, the face-down fall. It feels cozy for a minute, but for older adults, sleeping on your stomach is like wringing out your spine like a wet towel. The fact, according to data from the Sleep Foundation, only about 7% of Americans sleep this way, and for good reason. It flattens the natural curve of your lower back and forces your neck into a 90-degree twist just so you can breathe. Over time, this creates micro strains in your neck muscles. The solution, the aligned side sleeper. Instead of the stomach, try the side. But here's the secret. Put a firm pillow between your knees. This keeps your hips square and prevents that twisting feeling in your lower back. It's like a kickstand for your spine. It keeps everything in a straight, happy line from your neck to your ankles.
The harmful position, the flat back. Now, back sleeping sounds healthy, right? But for many seniors, especially those who deal with snoring or circulation issues, it's a trap. Gravity is a constant force. When you're flat on your back, gravity pulls your tongue and soft tissues downward, narrowing your airway. This can lead to micro wake-ups all night. Think of it like a kink in a garden hose. Your oxygen can't flow freely, and your heart has to pump faster to compensate. The solution? The elevated incline. If you love your back, don't go flat. Use a wedge pillow to elevate your head by just 4 to 6 inches. Research from the American Academy of Sleep Medicine suggests this simple gravity shift helps fluid drainage and keeps your airway open. It's the executive suite of sleep positions, luxury comfort with maximum oxygen flow.
Have you ever wondered why some mornings you feel sharp as a tack and others you feel like you're walking through a cloud? It might be your brain's nightly car wash. Recent data from the National Institutes of Health shows that your brain has a waste clearance system called the Glymphatic system. Think of it like the street sweepers in New York City. They come out at night when the traffic is low to clear the trash. But here's the kicker. Science suggests this cleaning crew works significantly better when you are in a specific side sleeping position rather than on your back or stomach. If you're sleeping in the wrong position, you're basically canceling the cleaning crew, allowing metabolic waste to build up. This is a huge factor in your morning energy levels and long-term mental clarity. I want to know, on a scale of 1 to 10, how clear is your head when you first wake up? Be honest. Type your number in the comments. Now, let's look at the best way to position yourself to keep that cleaning crew working perfectly. If you're finding these tips helpful, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm to show this to more people who need better rest. And stay tuned, because the next position is the most common mistake people make for heart health.
The harmful position, the right side for digestion. Did you know the side you pick changes your internal chemistry? If you suffer from nighttime heartburn or slow digestion, sleeping on your right side can actually make it worse. Your stomach is shaped like a comma. On your right side, the opening to your stomach sits lower than your esophagus, letting acid leak upward. It's like trying to keep water in a bottle with the cap half off. The solution: the left side luxury. Flip to the left. According to the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology, the left side uses gravity to keep stomach acid where it belongs. Plus, for your heart, the left side is a winner. It helps your aorta, the body's main blood highway, pump blood more easily because it isn't fighting gravity. It's like giving your heart a downhill path to work with. The harmful position, the tight ball. Many of us instinctively curl up when we're cold or looking for comfort. But curling up too tight, with your chin tucked to your chest and knees high, can restrict your diaphragm. This is the muscle that helps you breathe deeply. If you can't take a full breath, your cells don't get the fuel they need to repair your body overnight. You might wake up feeling like you ran a marathon instead of sleeping. The solution: the semi-fetal stretch. You can keep the side position, but untuck your chin and straighten your legs slightly. Place a small, rolled-up towel in the curve of your waist if you feel a gap. This creates neutral alignment, the gold standard for sleep science. It allows your lungs to expand fully while keeping your joints relaxed.
Now, here's something most people miss. It's not just about comfort, it's about fluid dynamics. According to a study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, poor sleep posture can lead to peripheral edema. That's just a fancy way of saying fluid pools in your legs while you rest. Think of your circulatory system like a high-end plumbing system in a classic American home. If there's a kink in the pipe because of how you've tucked your legs or angled your neck, the pump, your heart, has to work double time all night long. This is why you might wake up with that brain fog or heavy feet, even if you slept for 8 hours. But don't worry, the next position we're about to cover acts like a reset button for your blood flow. Before we move on, are you waking up with swollen ankles? Drop a yes in the comments if you felt this. It helps me know which health topics to tackle next.
Before we wrap up, I want to share a final insight from my background in Ayurveda. Ancient wisdom identifies sleep as one of the 3 pillars of life. We call left side sleeping Vam Kukshi because it aligns your organs with gravity. By choosing the right posture, you aren't just moving bones, you're opening your body's natural pathways to recharge your prana, or vital energy. It's 5,000-year-old wisdom, perfectly meeting modern science. To recap, avoid the stomach twist, don't go perfectly flat if you're a snorer, flip to the left for your heart and digestion, and don't curl too tight. Your body is a temple. Let's make sure the maintenance happens efficiently while you sleep. Viewer question: which of these positions are you currently sleeping in? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your stories. For more tips on aging with energy and boosting your circulation, check out our YouTube channel. Sleep well, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.